Season's greetings, everyone, and welcome back to the Jetset Wealthstyle channel, where we turn financial wisdom into your success story. Today, we're embracing the holiday spirit with a special Christmas edition. Christmas is a magical time, a season of giving joy and sparkling lights. But it's also a great opportunity to reflect on our financial journey and plan for a prosperous new year. As we wrap up the year, let's look back at our financial milestones. Whether it's saving for that dream vacation, paying off debt, or starting an investment, every achievement deserves recognition. This festive season, let's toast to these successes and set our sights even higher for the coming year. Season's greetings, everyone, and welcome back to the CEO Luxury Lifestyle channel, where we turn financial wisdom into your success story. And now, let's dive into some Christmas money-saving tips to keep your wallet happy. Budget your gifts. Plan your spending to avoid holiday debt. Add a personal touch with DIY gifts. Take advantage of holiday sales and discounts. Share the joy and the cost of holiday meals with a festive potluck. Christmas isn't just about gifts and feasts. It's about warmth, love, and community. Let's spread the holiday cheer by giving back, whether it's volunteering, donating, or simply helping a neighbor. With the new year around the corner, now is the perfect time to set new financial goals. Let's make resolutions that are realistic, achievable, and will lead us to financial freedom. As we celebrate this wonderful season, surrounded by friends and family, let's cherish these moments and look forward to a bright and prosperous new year. From all of us we wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Remember to hit that like button, share with your loved ones, and subscribe for more financial wisdom. Tell us in the comments how you plan to make your financial future shine in the new year. Please like and subscribe to the Jetset Wealthstyle channel. Merry Christmas and see you soon!